In this video, we're going to walk you through the details of how to set up and use reporting within Nialli Visual Planner. One of the great benefits of planning digitally is the ability to capture data in the background so that you're able to capture all kinds of additional insights and analytics at the end of the day. To get to the reporting function, the first thing is to click on the Report button in the menu, and that will get you access to the PPC and Reasons for Variance report. PPC represents percent plan complete, the number of activities complete versus the number of activities planned. That information is provided when users status their activities as done or not done and the reasons why not done. And that's week by week. So if I click on a different week, you're going to actually see the reasons for variance for that week. So that allows the team to actually get better moving forward. The next report we'll go through is the activity report, and this is a Gantt type of a format. If I click on it, you won't see anything initially, and it's because we haven't set up the report yet. First thing we'll have to do is set up the activity report, clicking the activity report setup. This way you can filter by number of, by particular trades, or you can select all trades. I can specify a start date and also duration. Minimize lanes will not appear in this activity report. When I save, it will actually show me this Gantt type of a format. One of the things you'll note is on weekends, these are non-working days, the activity will carry across because it ends on Monday, but it will show that it's one activity across the weekend. If you want to be able to distribute the report to others in your organization, you can click on the Export PDF, create a file which can then be distributed. The next report we'll take a look at is the daily view, and essentially this is exactly what you'll see in your weekly work plan. You do have the ability, however, to use the setup function, much the same as you do in the activity report, to specify which trades you want to be able to show in this report. You can also specify which lanes you will want to appear by hiding lanes that you don't want to see in the weekly work plan. So if you minimize those lanes, they will not appear in this report. One of the ways in which folks will use this is to specify exactly what each trade needs to be able to do in a given work area on the site over the next number of weeks that you specify. In addition, we do have the ability to export all of your planned data into an Excel sheet. That information can then be brought into Power BI with a series of reports that we've created, or you can use our API to create your own reports. In order to take advantage of Nialli's enhanced reporting using Microsoft's Power BI, first thing you'll have to do is install Power BI. That can be downloaded from Microsoft's site. And the second is to install a Chrome plugin for Visual Planner, which will allow you to access directly the Power BI sample reports. Once you've downloaded your Chrome extension, simply go to the Report button in your plan, select Data Export, and you'll notice there'll be a button that says Open Power BI. What that does is it automatically launches a Power BI dashboard along with the data from your plan. Once you click that button, it's going to ask for a confirmation that you can download the plan to your laptop. Select Yes, and it will auto-load your Power BI reports. Once your Power BI dashboard has loaded, you'll have access to a variety of reports that we've created as examples of what's possible, including all kinds of filters which allow you to drill into the data for additional insight. Examples would include PPC and Reasons for Variance, and we have a couple of different views of that. In addition, I can look at resources by trade, so I can determine who's on site on a given day and where they are on the site. I also have access to information about the master schedule versus what's in the plan. So for example, I can look at comparison of the master schedule to a weekly work plan, and are we running late, and are any of those activities going to run behind schedule or am I ahead of schedule? These Power BI dashboards are fully customizable. If you have a little bit of Power BI expertise, it's quite easy to create custom reports for your organization. In addition, we have an API which enables direct connection to the database, which allows you to create live reporting. And we're here to help, so contact our team if you need any additional information about our API. Thanks for watching. You should be now ready to utilize reporting within Nialli Visual Planner, both in terms of in-app reporting as well as in Power BI to gain additional analytics. If you need more information, please visit our Knowledge Hub at nialli.com.